Hey guys, welcome back to Very Beautiful. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look. And I thought it was a cool look to do for fall, but still have a pop of green in there because, hey, green's one of my favorite colors. And this video is sponsored by Wet n Wild. I am so thankful to work with them because I love these products that they sent me to use in this video. And if you want to see how I did this video, then continue watching. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed face, and I just have like a light gel moisturizer on, and I'm going to be using the 3-in-1 primer water, and that is going to help this foundation stick go on a lot smoother. It's also going to help it last a little bit longer, and it just kind of cools down my face so it feels nice and smells good. And this foundation stick is actually in the amber shade, and I'm just making marks all over my face so that I can easily blend them out, and it goes on pretty smooth. Now, while I'm blending this out with a fluffy brush, just wanted to make a note that you can get 25% off your Wet n Wild purchase with the code down below, and I'm going to put the link in the description box along with the code again, just in case you want to see it again after this video is done. So now that I've blended out my foundation and you can't see all of my blemishes so much, I'm going to be using the Stop Playing Safe palette, and this one has a bunch of really bright colors, but I'm going to be choosing this nice like taupe color, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take the top transition color, so the lighter one, and I'm going to use it to blend out the crease. I'm not going to put a ton of this on my crease. It's just more so to blend with the color that we put on the lid. Just have a nice transition upward. Now, taking the darker transition color at the bottom, we're going to put this basically in the crease and the outer corner of the eye. And this is just to give the eye some more depth. And I'm just taking my time blending it out because this is where it can be really easy to get messy. And you want to just do the same thing on the other eye. Now, I used that cooling cucumber primer water to just wet my brush, and then I dabbed it into the sparkly shade because I like my sparkles, and I'm just going to put that on the middle of my lid, and you're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Wetting the brush just kind of helps it come out more and pop, I notice, especially with like sparkly looking colors. And now I'm going to be using their metallic eyeliner, and this MegaLiner, I've used their regular black one before and I love it, but I also like this one because it's this cosmic black color, and it's just got these little sparkles in it that just make it really festive. I'm thinking I should use this when we have a holiday party later this year, just because I like that it's sparkly. It's a little bit different than just regular black. And I'm basically making a winged eyeliner look, but I'm also going to the inner corners of my eyes and even winging that out a little bit. So it's kind of like a tiger eye in a way in the inner corner. But of course I have the wing on the outside to balance that out. And you can do wings however you see fit. For me, I found it easier to kind of come from the outside and go inward when I was making the wing, but there's some days that I go from the inside and go outward. So however you can do it best, do it that way. Now, taking a angled brush, and this is a really small one, I'm gonna dip it into that nice bright deep green shade that is just, oh, I love it. It looks like an emerald green to me. And I'm using the brush wet again just to get more of a pigmented look. It's already very pigmented, but like I want this to pop and also stay in place, so that's why I'm wetting it. And I'm lining the bottom of my eyes. I think it's easiest to start with the wing on this one because I did the other one before and I kind of messed it up. But this side looks the best just because I started from the wing first, and I'm just using the foundation to kind of cover up a few hairs under my eyebrows because they're pretty clean, but you know, want to make it look nicer. And taking this like seafoam sparkly color, it's like a mix between a blue and a green, but it's really pretty. I'm going to put it on the water lines of my eyes just to make them pop but not be that super bright. Like sometimes when you use like the white cream, I think this looks a little bit better since we do have the green on the bottom. Quickly gonna just, you know, apply plain black mascara, and I always like to do top and bottom lashes and cleaning up whatever mistakes I made. Now we have the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, and this one is just like this really pretty berry color, which of course my channel is very beautiful, but I love this berry color because it's just so nice, and it has like a nice shimmer to it, but it's not too much. And then I just basically take a big fluffy powder brush and blend it all out. Now, the last color product I'm going to be using is this Liquid Catsuit Long Lasting High Shine Lipstick, and this is just amazing. It's Cedar You Later, and I just love the applicator tip because it goes on so easy, and this color just it's just like perfect. And even I feel like it matches the eyeshadow base that we put on as our first color. But I love how moisturized, how shiny my lips look and defined, and that's all thanks to that applicator tip as well as the formula. Now we're gonna take our favorite cucumber water, because I've been using this all day, and we're gonna use it one last time just to give our face that nice dewy look and kind of set it, let it dry, and you have your look. Please let me know in the comments below if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have a great night.